We've started a new project for Harrogate District Hospital for HIF as well. We're doing a new integrated facility with radiology and theatres on the first floor. So we needed to house our subcontractors and ourselves as a main contractor for the project. Wernick Hire I've used for many years now and always received a good service. They are our preferred contractor for Morgan Sindall and they're always delightful to work for. This one particular is a new project. It's a green space fire rated cabin, so we're really happy with that. We've made a difference with regards to sustainability, and the insulation and the fit out is really high spec, and it's a delight to work in for the team. Could have been happier. We've had a great team on here. So we had Joe, Ebony and Sean who delivered the project, and they were fantastic from pre-construction to delivery. It's a very challenging site. Got over the challenge by looking at access requirements and came up with an access mute that I've never seen before. So looking at innovation, not only did they come out, they tested it, made sure it works first beforehand. We got that on there, and we only had a limited period of time to get the cabins in because it's an environment where the hospital are working all the time, and they overcome that with great professionalism, and they kept us in the loop all the time, so it was really well presented by them. Yes, easy question. For me and for Morgan Sindall and this team, we're really happy with what we received, so I'm more than happy to recommend it.